Flashback. End of flashback.
Day 2, Day 3, Day 4, 8:01 p.m., 12 o'clock midnight, 3:28 a.m. Tomorrow for sure. The next day. The next morning.
The next morning. The next morning. The very next evening.
12 seconds later. Later. A few moments later.
Moments later. More moments later.
20 minutes later.
1 hour later.
1 hour later. 2 hours later. 2 hours later.
2 hours later.
3 hours later. 6.5 hours later. 6 hours later.
72 hours later.
3 weeks later. Many months later. 2,000 years later. Several bad puns later.
Many tic-tacs later.
1 eternity later. Few inches later.
Just then,
Eventually. Meanwhile.
by sheer coincidence,